हेलो।
हाँ
सर प्रीवियस क्लास पे जो वो बताए थे उसका ब्लॉक से कोडिंग क्यों नहीं बताया था सर? वो कोड टेक्स्ट वाला समझ नहीं आया।
अच्छा अच्छा, क्या किए थे लास्ट में क्लास में? वो ये
एलसीडी डिस्प्ले सर। यस सर।
एलसीडी डिस्प्ले ना। हाँ हाँ हाँ, एलसीडी डिस्प्ले हम बताएंगे, ठीक है। अच्छा, एलसीडी डिस्प्ले आज हम करेंगे। वो पहला दिन जो था वो यूट्यूब में मैंने छोड़ा छोड़ा था शायद।
यस सर।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो डायरेक्ट लाइव क्लास नहीं था ना, लाइव लाइव क्लास नहीं था वो। मैं यूट्यूब, मेरा जो टेक्निकल प्रोजेक्ट का जो ग्रुप है, वर्चुअल गाइडेंस फॉर द टेक्निकल प्रोजेक्ट, वहाँ पे
यस सर।
मैंने छोड़ा।
यस।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो दिए
यस
थे
सर।
इसलिए तुम लोग देखोगे, एंड you should have previous you should have some idea, okay? So today we will let's start। इसलिए देखो ना, टू कंट्रोल एलसीडी पे मैंने शुरू किया है। तो आज
ओके
हम
सर।
देखो, आज तो हम लोग दो तीन तीन सेंसर हम लोग कर चुके हैं। पहला जो था तुम्हारा वो टेम्परेचर सेंसर था, अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर, पीआईएस सेंसर था। हाँ, तो हम लोग आज टेम्परेचर सेंसर लेके वो एलसीडी डिस्प्ले डिस्प्ले कराएंगे, ठीक है। तो पहले go to the Tinkercad, then we'll come back here in this PPT presentation, ठीक है। So this is our Tinkercad software. Over there we can design as per our requirement. We can implement any sort of project. So we have to move forward. We have a long journey here. Okay. So one by one after another we will do here. So let us start the circuit. Create new circuit. So we'll take one temperature sensor here. Okay. So as I told you, every product here is basically done by means of Arduino Uno. So first of all, you have to take Arduino Uno R3. Okay. So that I have taken here. This is then what is one breadboard. Okay, one breadboard. Then मैंने क्या बोला था प्लस एंड माइनस ये कनेक्ट करना है ये प्लस 5 वोल्ट. Okay. Actually today I am outside. I am not in a college, so that's why I don't have mouse. So इसलिए थोड़ा difficulties है मेरे के लिए. Mouse pointer नहीं है. But कोशिश करते हैं. So change the color here because this is the convention. We prefer plus 5 volt as red color. Then ground with black color. Okay. So every time we prefer to do that. Okay. Always you connect plus 5 volt and ground with this color. Okay. So we have done that. Now take temperature sensor. Now I will give you some project घर में तुम करते रहना. Then that assignment you have to submit me. Okay. नीचे में था क्या? This is. So this is our temperature sensor. This is our temperature sensor. ये देखो ये पावर है, ये क्या है, ये ग्राउंड है और ये क्या है वी आउट. तो पावर दैट इज प्लस 5 वोल्ट कनेक्ट करते रहना है यहाँ पे. चेंज द कलर हियर. देन ग्राउंड, ये ग्राउंड चेंज कलर. ऐसा लेना है कोई नहीं. तो ये वो तुम्हारा ग्राउंड और पोटेंशियल हो गया. ना ये क्या है वी आउट. ठीक है. तो वी आउट, तो ये एनालॉग आउटपुट है. तो इसको कहाँ कनेक्ट करना है A0 में. A0, A1, A2, A3, any one. You have to read this value. So connect with A0. Okay. Now change color. Okay. Now we want to observe what the value actually coming. Okay, from the sensor. So for that you have to come for coding. So I am taking block plus text for better understanding. You delete it. It's a default program. Okay. Now we want to read the value, sensor value. Okay, temperature sensor value. Okay. So that's why for reading input, read temperature sensor. Okay. So I am placing it here. A0 pin. So as soon as you are placed this block, so देखो क्या हो गया. ये तो तुम्हारा C++ कोड void setup, void loop and delay 10. It's a basic structure. As soon as I have placed this block, this code has been generated. Pin mode A0 input. Pin mode always the pin which is you are going to use, that pin is either input or output. That's why that you have to declare. So that's why this syntax is there. Pin mode A0 is being used as input. So pin mode A0 is input here. I have declared here. Now as soon as you are taking this temperature sensor, by default this conversion formula automatically comes, but analog read ये आ जाएगा analog read. Okay, means you are reading the data at the analog pin, that means A0 pins. If you change this A2, so automatically it will be changed to A2, but I did not connect the sensor A2 pin. We have connected at A0 pin, so that's why you have to take it at A0. So that's why, otherwise it will be wrong. No, okay, your sensor will not performing. So this is, you can ask me, sir, how it comes. So whenever you are going to use any sort of temperature sensor, if you see the manual specifications over there, this conversion table will be there. So don't worry about that. So for that, you can keep it, take it common copy, and you can keep for future use. Okay, whenever we are going for using some sort of LCD display, in that case we can use this formula. Okay, so you can copy plus paste करके कहाँ पे जगह में तुम वर्ड और टेक्स्ट में रख लीजिएगा. तो दिस इज द सिंपल सा है, लेकिन आई वांट टू मेंशन यू हियर, we'll take one variable, okay, for betterment. Okay, so for that, what we'll use, to move variables, and we'll create one temperature sensor, a variable temp, temp variable करके. Okay, so temp. Now देखो, as soon as I declare temp, okay, what happens? Automatically these two blocks will come, and यहाँ पे देखो int temp is equal to 0 हो गया. Why it is? Because you are declaring, you are designing temperature variable here. So देखो int temp is equal to 0. This is now global variable. So that's why as it is global variable, so that's why it is placed at the top of the programming. Okay, so that's why it is a global variable. If you consider here, then say that variable should be local variable, just like your C programming. Okay, now we'll take this block. Okay, so you can delete it. Okay, for better understanding, पहले तुम ये delete कर दो, delete कर दिया. So ये तुम्हारा बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर, temp वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कर दिया, इसलिए temp इधर है. Now you take this block. Now I am placing, see, code will be changed. So temp is variable and temp is equal to 0 है. So that's why देखो यहाँ पे temp is equal to 0 आ गया. ठीक है, लेकिन तुम temp में क्या रखोगे? The sensor value. Okay, isn't the sensor value? So इसलिए तुमको इनपुट में आना होगा रीड टेम्परेचर सेंसर वैल्यू. कहाँ पुट करोगे? यहाँ पे पेस्ट हो गया. As soon as I have placed here, देखो क्या हो गया? temp is equal to this. Okay, this is a conversion formula. It's a conversion formula, and that data analog read A0. So voltage to temperature conversion formula is there. Okay, so that is come, so that is now changed. Temp is equal to this. So as far as A0 is can be read by this block. Okay, so ultimately after taking the value from A0, that automatically converted into corresponding temperature. So that is the block here and corresponding code. Okay, now it's okay. Now you have to print it. You have to print in the serial monitor. So you people know that when you are going for observing or printing some sort of values, either it may be numerical value or it may be the character one. So you have to take this print serial monitor, isn't it? Every time we are going to use, I think you are aware about that. So as soon as I placed it, so correspondingly, the serial begin dot 9600, it's a baud rate, because the data has been transferring, so that baud rate should be there. And serial dot print in hello world, so the data which is going to print, that is written within double quote. Okay, hello world. So if you run this, okay, we are not going to print hello world. Okay, but still if you run this, okay, then what happens? We'll see hello world, hello world, hello world. Okay, we'll see only the hello world, hello world. Okay, so see the serial monitor. Stop the simulation पहले, keep it blocks for betterment, so that you can observe. देखो hello world, स्टार्ट द सिमुलेशन, हेलो वर्ल्ड हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो stop the simulation. Now coming code, blocks plus text. Okay, now we'll use here which variable? Temp variable. Okay, we'll use temp here. Okay, so we'll use temp. You are going to print the temperature. Okay, you are going to print the temperature. So now देखो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, serial dot println temp. That means temp variable में जो डेटा स्टोर है वो प्रिंट होगा, ठीक है। तो नाउ स्टार्ट सिमुलेशन। ओके, देखो 24, it's showing 24। okay, so in that case to minimize it, that means stop simulation, space complexity है, text को हटा दो, only take the blocks here। now start the simulation। okay, 24, now you are going to change the temperature। okay, so if you are changing the temperature here, देखो it is showing the changes। okay, now last class में हम लोग किए थे एलईडी लिए थे all these things, but today we'll show display okay using LCD। तो टेम्परेचर क्या है तो हम दिखाएंगे तुमको। तो for that you have to take the LCD display। okay, you have to take LCD display here, LCD display, LCD। already I have done that। okay, already I have done that one। ठीक है, but I am maximizing it। देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, 16 pins are there। so all the pins and that have particular operations and functions, and there is a particular procedure that you have to maintain how to connect these pins with the Arduino that I am going to show you। okay, so for that we have to move some places। I have done some PPT presentation for you for better understanding। so this is your LCD display। okay, there is a RS pin। okay, so RS matlab register select। okay, by using this pin you are going to select the register। okay, then there is a read write pin। okay, so whether you are going to write something or reading something, that message you have to provide। okay, then the enable pin, if you will know that enable pin, if it depends off, then your device will not perform। so enable pin is most important here, because enable pin if it is off, you can't write anything okay into the registers, so you have to activate it। now the data pins D0 to D7। okay, we'll see there is a D0 to D7, that is data pin, that is how many number of pins are there? 8 pins, these are called data pins, 8 data pins are there। okay, so now there is a V0 pin। okay, V0 pin, so देखो there is a V0 pin, isn't? so V0 pin basically used to control the contrastness okay of this display, brightness of the display, so that is controlled by the V0। here we are going to use one potentiometer। okay, so middle portion of the potentiometer should be connected with V0, and other two pins of the potentiometer should be connected to VCC and ground respectively। okay, now see देखो यहाँ पे DB0 to DB7, so how many pins are there? 8 pins, these are called the data lines। okay, but most of the cases we are not using 8 pins simultaneously, we are going to use 4 pins। okay, so that's the V0 I've written there, the backlight controlling, this is the it control the contrast Okay. Display contrast by using V0 pin that I mentioned you. I will show you that. Now that I already told you, though we are having 8 bits, but we can use two modes. We can use it by two modes, 4-bit modes and 8-bit modes. So most of the cases we prefer 4-bit mode. Okay. Uh, okay, so that's why I've written over there. For displaying text on the screen, you can do most everything in 4-bit mode. So example shows how to control 16 into 2 LCD in 4-bit mode. So here we are going to use the display that is 16 into cross. What 16 cross 2? What does it mean? That means you are having two rows. Okay, cross 2, 2 means two rows are there, each of which containing 16 characters. Okay, that means 16 columns are there. You can, if you think about row and column or column and row, then you can think that there are 16 columns with two rows. Okay, so that is 16 cross 2. Okay, now I mentioned what are the hardware required here. Arduino board, you will know that, LCD screen, and pin headers to solder to the LCD display. Here I am not going to use it. If we go for real-time practical purpose, then we can use that one. Pin headers to solder, because here virtual, so there is no scope of soldering. 10 kilo ohms potentiometer. You will know that 10 kilo pot. In short, we can say it's a pot, 10K pot. 220 ohms resistor, because LCD display is there, LCD is there. So you people know that every time we are going to use 220 ohms resistor whenever go for blinking of LEDs or all those things. Hookup wires, that is the wires and the breadboard. Now this is most important. Which pin of the LCD display is connected with the which pin of the our microcontroller? So that most important. So we are going to connect it. देखो, RS pin and 11 pin, these are connected with by 12 and 11. Okay, 11 12 से. So now let us start the connection. Okay, you have to follow this PPT. I have written for your better understanding. I have written over there to make you understand. Okay, so precisely I have written. You have to follow that one. Okay, so let us start for connecting. Okay, connecting wires. So 12 नंबर पिन में RS कनेक्ट होगा. चलो. So before that, you can connect it this ground. You can connect that one. So little bit you can improve. You can use it. Okay, एक काम करते हैं. इसी को थोड़ा ऊपर में देते हैं. मैक्सिमाइज करते हैं. ये होता तो अच्छा होता, लेकिन स्क्रीन छोटा है. देखो, ये ग्राउंड एंड VCC है. ठीक है, ग्राउंड, this is our ground. Okay, make it black color. ये VCC. VCC, make it red color. Okay, this is ground हो गया. Now V0. Okay, ये V0 कनेक्शन करना है. V0, तो देखो जो जो पिन है पहले से वो हम कनेक्शन कर, we are connecting from the beginning. Okay, now let's see. देखो यहाँ पे भी सर्किट डायग्राम भी है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो सर्किट डायग्राम भी है. फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई हैव शोन यू. ठीक है, तो देखो V0 कहाँ कनेक्ट है, देखो ना. V0, सॉरी, ये तो कनेक्शन है, फाइनल कनेक्शन. V0 देखो 1 पोटेंशियोमीटर है. देखो V0 कहाँ गया, मिडिल में. ये पोटेंशियोमीटर है. one connected with plus 5 volt, देखो follow my mouse pointer, this is 5 volt, and other pin, this pin connected to the ground. Okay, connected to the ground, देखो ये ग्राउंड में कनेक्ट हो गया, ठीक है। तो वो मैं कनेक्ट करूंगा। now take one potentiometer, potentiometer, देखो पोटेंशियोमीटर ले लिया, प्लेस कर दिया। ये कहाँ कनेक्ट होगा? टर्मिनल, सॉरी, टर्मिनल 1 प्लस 5 वोल्ट। ओके, दैट इज ओके। टर्मिनल 2 कहाँ होगा? ग्राउंड, ये होगा ग्राउंड। सो चेंज द कलर हियर, ब्लैक कर दो। मिडिल 1 कहाँ कनेक्ट होगा? V0, V0। ओके, तो मिडिल वाला V0 में कनेक्ट होगा। दैट इज कॉन्ट्रास्ट में। ओके, कनेक्ट कर दिया। चेंज द कलर हियर। ओके, ऑरेंज ले लिया शायद, तो येलो कर दो। हो गया, ये वाला हो गया ना। आर एस पिन और आर डब्ल्यू 12-11 में था, देखो फॉलो द पीपीटी। 12 नंबर पिन आर एस एनाबल विथ 11, तो एक एक करके कनेक्ट करो। आर एस पिन, ये आर एस पिन, रजिस्टर सिलेक्ट पिन। ओके, विल मूव, विल कनेक्ट टू 12 नंबर 12। ओके, ठीक है, आप सिंक कर सकते हो, ग्रीन कर दो। ये टाइप कहाँ था? 11। ओके, इलेवन, ठीक है, चेंज द कलर। तो रीड राइट एंड आर एस पिन हो गया। रीड राइट, रीड राइट नहीं, ये एनाबेल पिन था, ठीक है, 11 में है। रीड राइट ग्राउंड में होगा, ठीक है, तो चेंज कर देते हैं एनाबेल पिन से 11। इसको हटाओ। एनाबेल पिन पास में है, एनाबेल पिन। ओके, ओके। रीड राइट कहाँ पे था? ग्राउंड में था। ये वाला ग्राउंड था शायद, ठीक है, ये वाला ग्राउंड था। तो देन रीड राइट ग्राउंड हो गया। नाउ देखो यहाँ पे जो डेटा लाइंस है, 0 1 2 3, ये जो 4 पिन है इसको छोड़ के हम 4 5 6 7 को यूज करेंगे, ठीक है। किसका किसका? 4 5 6 7। ओके, तो देखो कहाँ कहाँ किधर किधर कनेक्शन है। तो 5432, ओके, 5432 पिन, डिजिटल पिन 5432 पिन। पिन नंबर 2 3 4 5 किसका? ये है माइक्रो कंट्रोलर का, दैट मीन्स आर्डिनो का। D4 with 5, D5 with 4. Okay, so D4 with 5 कनेक्ट करो। D4 ये है तुम्हारा D4, देखो D4 है, D4 should be connected with pin number कितना 5। हो गया कनेक्शन, यू कैन चेंज कलर। नाउ 4 के साथ 5 के साथ फोर चेंज कलर। नाउ 6 के साथ 3 change the color। नाउ 7 साथ 2। that you have to mention in the programming which pin is connected with the which pin number of the microcontroller। देखो ये तुम्हारा जो डेटा बस था, डेटा लाइन था 4, वो कनेक्शन हो गया 5 4 3 2, दैट मींस 2 3 4 5 के साथ 7 6 5 4। ओके, now see there is a LED anode that is positive, cathode that is negative, so you have to use one resistor between these two। okay, between these two you need one resistor that is positive pin के साथ one resistor with VCC and cathode with ground। तो देखो सर्किट देख लो, देखो LCD plus to 5 volt through to 20 ohm resistor I have written। LED plus, that is your anode, should be connected to 5 plus 5 volt through to 20 ohm resistor, and negative pins, that is cathode, should be grounded। okay, now take one resistor here, this is now change the value kilo ohms, that is your ohms, that is your 220 ohms, 220 ohms हो गया। change color, and this is connected to plus 5 volt हो गया। ये कहाँ कनेक्ट हुआ, that should be connected with ground potential। okay, this is your ground potential, make it black color। so लगभग कनेक्शन तुम्हारा हो गया, कनेक्शन हो गया। okay, so you should follow my previous videos। okay, what I have shown you earlier। okay, in the virtual guidance for technical projects जो YouTube channel है, you people must subscribe that one। तो ये तुम्हारा सर्किट कनेक्शन का काम हो गया। नाउ कम टू द कोडिंग पार्ट। ओके, वी कम हियर
Sir,
कोडिंग। हाँ
hello.
हाँ बोलो।
Sir, and what the use of rest of pin?
नो वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दिस अदर जो 4 है, ठीक है। 8 पिन मोड में हम लोग नहीं काम कर रहे, 4 पिन में काम कर रहे हैं। मैंने बोला ना 2 मोड में तुम काम कर सकते हो, वो दैट पिन्स विल बी हियर अनयूज्ड। ओके, दे आर विल बी अनयूज्ड, दे आर नॉट कनेक्टेड, एनसी नॉट कनेक्टेड। So for that you can change this name. अच्छा, LCD डेट क्या है 26 ये देते हैं 26 now for quickness I am going to take the previous code. That class already I have, that video actually that I have given you. Let's take the codes here. We are having 2 minutes more. I think after that it will be cut again. You should rejoin again. Okay. So आज का ये है LCD 26/7 game. कनेक्शन थोड़ा ठीक से करना है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारा कनेक्शन है, ध्यान से कीजिएगा। एक पिन में प्रॉब्लम होगा ना तो ये काम नहीं करेगा। Then you have to find out the error. The code. So देखो ये जो है when we are going to use LCD display, okay, then we have to use this library function, okay, जो liquid crystal .h है, okay. So .h means those are basically your library function that you have to include here, okay, otherwise this display will not operating. Now देखो जो pin, RS pin, register select, enable pin and all the data pins, okay, data lines. I have written RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, D7. तो कौन पिन में वो कनेक्टेड है? RS मैंने बोला था 12 में, enable 11, D4 5 that means 4, 5, 6, 7 they are connected with pin number 5, 4, 3 and 2 of the okay. So now temperature पहले क्या था INT किए थे, ये फ्लोट डिक्लेयर किया है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, यहाँ पे हम फ्लोट किए हैं। now void setup जो है all are correct. now display we are going to use begin 16,2, okay. So that is basically set the number of columns and rows, okay. 16 columns are there and 2 rows are there, that's you have to declare here what type of LCD you are going to use here. So that's the LCD dot begin the 16,2 here. Now we are going to use print project underscore bm, that should be printed, okay. So LCD dot print whatever you are going to write here that will be printed, not necessarily you have to write project underscore bm, whatever I will change it when we are going to simulate. Now pin mode